Okay, if you haven't completed, you go and complete, children. You go and complete. Just this is the introduction class only. This is only introduction class for new candidates. If there are your brothers or sisters, you may ask to join. So this is totally for basic children, new candidates only. So you may continue your work. Okay, now this is only for new joining children. They are going to write exam JNVST 2022. Okay, right, children. First, I will introduce one topic. Just a minute, children. All of you take a single rule paper. Share out.
Share in already. Screen sharing and stop share in only.
Mari side ko vastaledu.
Side kavalante nu ikkada share option lo idi cheyali.
Idi cheyali. Okay.
Share sound kuda appude
okay. Right, okay. Okay, right. It will side right. All right, children. All of you take a single rule paper. Right. Okay. Wait. Today I will introduce one new topic. That is part 1, odd man out or classification. Odd man out or classification. In Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test. Okay, just ceremony. You unmute yourself once. Ask ma.
Sir.
Ask your doubt.
Sir, shall I? Sir, this is for new students.
Okay, you may also listen, watch, no problem. Okay, you may watch, no problem. Okay, right. You
Sir,
also
Tanvi?
You also new joining only. Okay, for you also. Okay. Okay, right.
Sir, where is Tanvi? Tanvi not joined.
Okay, she may join. Okay. Right, children. You may continue your work also. If there is any time, you may continue your work. No problem. You may continue your work also while listening this. Okay, no problem. Okay, right. So this is MAT mental ability test in Navodaya entrance test or Sainik entrance test. They will give this topic, odd man out, part 1 odd man out or classification. Just a minute. Part 1, odd man out or classification. Directions, they will give directions what to do, how to do. There are 4 figures have been given in each question. In this part odd man out or classification, there will be given 4 figures. In each question, of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar in some way and 1 figure is different. 3 figures are the same in some way, 1 figure is different. Select the figure which is different. We have to select the figure which is different. I will tell you some examples now. So here we have 4 figures. In this, which is different? Which is different? So which is different, Srita?
Sir, third one.
Third one. So third one is different because it is an animal. It is an animal. It can't fly. Except this third one, remaining all 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 are birds. These can't fly. These can fly, but elephant can't fly. So that's why 3 is the correct option. 3 is the odd one. Three is the different one, right? Okay. Next, here we have 4 figures. In this, which is different? So except second, third, fourth. These are second, third, fourth are sitting articles, or we can use to write something on. So these are sitting articles. But the first one is a textbook. So this is the different. Example 3. Here we have 4 figures. In this, first one is book, second one pencil, third one eraser, fourth one cycle, bicycle. So these 3 are stationary goods, stationary things, or stationary articles, first, second, third. But fourth one is a bicycle. So this is the different. So fourth one is different. So this is the concept in this. Children, all of you take a paper like this. Take a paper like this, single paper, and write your name on the right upper corner. Write your name, right upper corner, and write up to 25 numbers like this, 1 to 25, 1 to 25. Write numbers 1 to 25. One to 25, children. Write 1 to 25 numbers. 1 to 25. Write 1 to 25 numbers. 1 to 25 numbers. If you completed this work, you raise your hands, you show your emoji. Okay, right. In chat box, you show your raised hand. Okay, very good. Shiva Sai good. Akshar Sajga good. Okay. Sasra good. Simon with very good. Sriram. Okay. Srita. Okay. Stuti. Okay. Jyotirmai. Madhulika. Sriram. Right. Okay. Very good. Children, you know everything. What to do. How to do. This emoji. You show emoji. If you completed. Ashrit Ram. Complete. Anirudh completed. Vishnu. Okay, right. Yashasvi completed. Very good. Yashasvi. Stuti, good. Manoj. Okay, good. Completed, Manoj. Right. Okay. 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 Remaining children complete. Write 1 to 25 numbers, children. Jashwant. Okay. Right. Okay. Srita. Okay. Anirudh completed. Anirudh completed. Vishnu completed. Sriram completed. Okay. Okay. Sriram completed. Right. Okay. Okay. Completed. Sriram. Anirudh. Right. Okay, children. Right. All of you. I think all of you completed. Now this is the answer sheet. You write like this 1 to 25 numbers, 1 to 25 marks, 1 to 25 marks. For 25 questions, 25 marks. Right. So now choose the best answer from this. Now identify odd one out and write the option. First one. Okay, completed children. Just you type C if you completed. Okay, okay. My mic is off. That's why didn't get a voice. Okay, okay. Right, right, children. Shreyaj, okay, okay. Shreyaj, good. Shreyaj sent that message. Okay, okay. You just type C, children. C enough. If there is. Send to Zoom. Completed. Okay, okay. See. Okay, very good. Revant, Akshara. Right, okay. Send C. Okay, C enough. One C enough. Revant, okay. Right, okay. Okay, if completed, type C. Okay, okay. Simon with good. Yashwant Rishi, okay. Stuti, okay, good. Madhulika, Stuti, finished, okay. Manoj, right, okay, right. Sriram, okay. Shivasai, okay. Manoj, right, okay, right, children. So next, so just I will tell you one topic, that is first topic, numbers and number system. 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 This is a first topic in now either Navodaya or Sainik children. In this first, today I will tell you three small subtopics: digits, values, digits and values, and about places. So these three topics only. Digits. Okay, wait and see. Revant, just wait and see. We have some 10 more questions to write. There are 10 more questions to write. That's why you wait and see, children. Okay? Just wait. So digits. How many digits are used in Hindu or international numeration? There are, to write any number, we can use only 10 digits. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these only digits, children. What are the digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Using these digits, we can write any number in Indian system or international system. Children, if this completed a Zoom meeting, then join once again. After 4 minutes, it will end this Zoom meeting. Then immediately you join again. Okay, right? So how many digits in Hindu or international numeration? There are 10 digits. There are 10 digits. What are the digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Using these digits, we can write any number, either smaller or larger. Okay? Every digit in a number has two values. Every digit in a number. Example, I will write one number here. Here I will write a number 12,345. So this is 5-digit number. So we used in this 5 digits. Okay, now. So every digit in a number, every digit, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, every digit in a number has two values. One there are two values. What are the values? Face value and place value. What are the values? One is face value. Another one is place value. One is face value. Another one is place value. So these are the values. Face value means the value of the digit is its appears. Appears means so here how much what is appearing? 5 is appearing. So 5 is the face value. So here what is appearing? 4 is appearing. So face value of 4 is 4 only. Here what is appearing? 3 is appearing. What is the face value of this 3? 3 only. Here what is appearing? 2 is appearing. So face value of 2 is 2 only. Here what is appearing? 1 only. So face value of 1 is 1 only. So these are the face values. So face value won't change according to its place. So face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 1 is 1 only. This totally what values? Face values. Okay, clear children? So this is totally about face value. Next, another one is what? Place values. Place value. So place value means what? The value of the digits depend on its place where it occurs. So here I will take once again this number 12,345. So here place value. Now we are discussing about place value. Place value. Place value. So place value depend on its place where it occurs. So place value depend on its place. What are the places in Indian system? We know places in Indian system are places. Places in Indian system are ones, tens, hundreds, ones. Places in Indian system are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. These are the places in Indian system. You know already. These are the places. First place from right is ones place. Second place from right is first place from right is ones. Second place from right is tens. Third place from right is hundreds. Fourth place from right is thousands. This is the first place, second place, third place, fourth place. You know already.